Hey guys, what's up? Tim here, and today I have another What's in My Dock episode. This is going to be, I think, version number 3 or 4. I'm not even completely sure. You guys can check out the other ones just to see the progression. It's actually pretty cool. But let's start off on the left with my first little area over here. With kind of the default apps and stuff that's basically on everyone's computer. Now, first up, we got Launchpad, and now Launchpad's obviously a really cool feature within OS X Lion. You can obviously just scroll through your little applications. For some reason, it's not working for me right now, but you can scroll through, see everything you got, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And next up, we got iTunes. I'm not even sure what version it is, but I never even use iTunes anymore. I usually use Spotify. The only reason I'd ever use iTunes is just to sync my iPod, but usually it's Spotify because Spotify is amazing. And actually, there it is. That is Spotify. But the cool thing about Spotify is that you can make your own playlists. So I have a dubstep playlist right here, which is actually really cool. I'll just put this on loop when I'm like playing games or something, and it's pretty cool. And it's all free, which is really really awesome. The next thing is Time Machine, which I cannot actually show you right now because I do not have my external hard drive connected. But I have it backed up just for a couple days now, just because I just bought an external hard drive. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It came in handy the other day when I accidentally deleted a file. But yeah, that's it for Time Machine. So next up, we got Steam. Currently, all I have on Steam right now is Counter Strike and Team Fortress 2. I like those games a lot. I need to buy some new equipment because I'm just using my standard little Logitech mouse and my Apple keyboard as a keyboard and mouse. But I think I'm going to buy some Razer stuff. Not quite sure yet if I want to get into PC gaming. But if I do, I think I'll use this computer just because it's a Mac and I just want to be different than everyone else because I'm cool like that. And next up, we got Skype. Pretty self-explanatory. App Store comes default. Don't really use it that much, obviously, because it sucks. But moving on to the browsers, we got Safari and Google Chrome. Don't use Firefox very much because it is slow. I use Google Chrome because it is the fastest one I can think of. Got Text Expander, which I showed you guys before. Really cool text expanding app. It'll basically save you tons of time with just simple little keystrokes. Got Daisy Disk, which is a really cool application, which I don't think I've showed you guys yet. If we just scan this thing real quick. I'm actually going to go over some other ones first before, because this will take a second to scan. So we got Terminal over here, which obviously is Terminal. You guys know what that is. You got uTorrent, which it's uTorrent. If you don't know what uTorrent is, then please click away from this video. You got Parallels Desktop 7, which obviously is a VirtualBox machine. I have Ubuntu, Fedora, Windows 8, and I believe that's it. But on Parallels, but it's really really cool, and you can run virtual machines. I'm not going to show you right now just because I have ScreenFlow running, but we also have, moving over to the next section, we have Final Cut Pro 10, which is a very very nice video editing software, really easy to use. Probably a little too easy to use for some professionals, but that's Final Cut Pro 10 from Apple. I think that retails about $300. You got Motion 5, which is also a really awesome like it's good for like motion editing and stuff. I really haven't learned it yet, but I hope to really really soon. Compressor, which compresses your HD video files, which is really really nice. It can get like a 5 gigabyte video down to like 200 megabytes. Really really awesome. And I use it for almost every video. Got Cinema 4D R13. On the last video I had R11, so this is quite the upgrade to the new version of R13. We have Boujou, which has not really been working for me lately. For some reason, there's a glitch in it, and so I can't really use it. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but every time I try to export a camera solve, the screen moves around, and the text doesn't stick. So if you guys could help me out with that, you should know what I'm talking about if you've ever used Boujou. But I even tried doing the fix within the text editor, and it didn't even work. But if you guys know what I'm talking about, just leave a comment in the section below of how you did it. I also got ScreenFlow 3, which I'm using to record this video right now. Great screen recording client. Does some really nice stuff. Got FaceTime over here, which I don't know why this isn't with Skype. We're actually just going to edit that real quick. So we got FaceTime, obviously, which is a video calling client from Apple. Comes standard with OS X Lion for $1. Also, we got Skype, which I already went over. We got the Microsoft Office suite here. Starting off with Microsoft Word, which I use for a lot of school projects and stuff. Then we have PowerPoint, which obviously is a slideshow presentation creator. Really, really nice software within this suite here. We got Excel, which is obviously a spreadsheet maker, and we got Outlook, which I use for my emails and stuff. Really great for organizing and planning and stuff. I also put my homework in there. It's just really nice for staying organized and on top of things. It is a very cool application, and it is probably my favorite in all of the 2010, I believe, Microsoft Office collection. Moving on to the Adobe CS5 collection, we have CS5, Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Bridge. Photoshop, I am really good at. I've been practicing a ton with Photoshop. Well, not really practicing, just learning it. After Effects, I use for almost every video to edit. Premiere Pro, not so much, just because it's very similar to After Effects, actually, with the timelines and everything. But After Effects, obviously, is geared more to make your videos look pretty, more than Premiere Pro, just to do some standard editing. I would compare Premiere Pro to After Effects, not After Effects. I mean, Premiere Pro to Final Cut instead of After Effects to Final Cut. Also, got Bridge, which is a really nice organizer, and it looks like Daisy Disk has just finished scanning my computer. And so if you look over here, I've showed this before in some other videos, but Daisy Disk is a really cool organization, or not really organization. It's like a space manager on your computer. So obviously you can see that it has all my storage made into one solid little semicircle there. So here's all my stuff. There's my YouTube folder with all my videos in it. It's 12 gigabytes. And my miscellaneous folder, which is actually up here, but you can view everything which is inside of it, which is awesome. You can check out these are my Final Cut projects, which is 8 gigabytes. And it's really cool. You can obviously just delete stuff from here, and it's just a really fun and cool practical application. Everyone should pick it up, really. It is a great application for the Mac. And this isn't really in my doc, but I'm just going to go over my 4 folders. We got old computer, which on my old Mac, I have all my folders from there. Not all of them, but a lot of them. We have design, which is like my Photoshop and After Effects stuff. I got a lot of stuff in here. Then we have miscellaneous, which is stuff that like pertains to just stuff that I can't really categorize. And then you have school, which is some school projects that I've done on this computer. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. That is what's in my doc, and that's pretty much it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. This has been Tim, and I'm out. Peace.